السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. أما بعد, I feel like we are not paying attention, or we chasing things that doesn't matter, and in doing so, we actually left behind what actually matters, which is to worship Almighty Allah. I need to start taking my religion seriously. Just me. I don't know about you, but I need to start taking my religion seriously. This is not a play. So, in doing so, I need to start paying attention. I need to start realizing this is it. I need to start building my relationship, repairing my relationship with Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. Because things that we actually focusing on, like we paying attention to, brother, they're not that serious, bro. You know, the cars, the houses, yeah. But when you die, what happened? None of that's coming with you, bro.